Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith. I got mail! So, an American YouTuber called Warp Legacy, that's the name of his channel. Twan, I don't know. Well, however you say your name, Twan. Thank you for this. I kind of guessed what it was when it turned up, but I'm going to open it up. I need a knife, see that? A knife. I'm so excited, this is going to be so cool. Thank you, man. I really hope it's nice. It's got like a cool box as well. Oh, so cool. I think I know what it is. That's amazing! Oh, cheers, dude. It's a mug with "Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith," and then you put the googly eyes on like the power hammer. That's amazing, dude. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's. I'm not sure what to say. Thanks, man. Cool. Warp Legacy's channel is absolutely amazing. I'll go check it out especially if you like sort of funny, witty humour that he does so very well. So I'll chuck a link up to a video that he's just done, and then I'll chuck another link up to another video he's done. Why not? Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye bye. Guess I'm not going to need you anymore.